Okay, I've gone ahead and glued on the other pair of edge veneers. So I've got the 4 veneers all around the edges. We need to clean up these edges. So the way we do that is we use a file. So we get a flat file, and what we will be doing is filing on a slight angle in this direction. So we shouldn't be rubbing here because we'll end up scratching the surface. So we just put a slight angle, just like that, and we run that across. So we do that now. Notice that I'm only pushing forwards. I don't want to be dragging that backwards. I'm only going to be pushing forwards. We can do the same on where the ends overlap. Just make sure you're pushing forwards. I'll just run ahead. Once all our edges are flush all the way around, and on the ends, everything should be flat, we can start working on the face and the back face of the clock. So we can sand that to remove any glue and to give yourself a smooth finish. Just remember, the veneer is very thin. We don't want to sand all the way through. The other thing we can do is use this tool. This is called a cabinet scraper. And with your finger, you run your finger along the edge, and you can feel on one edge, sometimes more than one edge, there is a hook. There's an edge there. So my edge is here. What I do is hold this like this, and I push with my thumbs to create a slight bend in the cabinet scraper, a bend in the steel. So the hook's here, and I'm bending it towards the hook. And what I'll do is push that across my timber. Hopefully you can see that's removing shavings of timber, as well as removing glue.
These things can be sharpened pretty easily, so if it's not working, it's either your technique or it needs sharpening. Okay, we'll just keep going until the glue is removed.
I'll stop the video there. You get the idea. And we can sand that as well, all until it's down nice and fine and a good finish.